Hello folks, we're here today to celebrate International Women's Day, which is very exciting, and I'm delighted to be joined by Dr. Rebecca Wilde from the Warwick Manufacturing Group at the University of Warwick. We have been working together on the Women in Trade Hub UK, which is part of what we're going to be talking to you about today. And Rebecca, it's great to see you.
Thank you for the invite. What is with about? I think with is uniting us, but I think it's also giving a voice.
Yes.
And representing and supporting and advocating with each other and for each other.
Yeah.
Across all industries, because with now we've got some fantastic colleagues and support, haven't we?
Yes, yeah. Sector agnostic.
Correct. And I think that's quite a rarity, you know.
It really is.
And so we've got a lot of representation and therefore from it a lot of lived in experiences that we can leverage from.
Yeah.
We can give, like you say, these role models, these mentors.
Yeah.
And within that notion of empowerment, not only empower us to want to move forward progressively for women in trade, but also empowerment within, you know, to give women the confidence that they can go for these higher roles, and having time out to have children shouldn't be stigmatised.
No.
And I still, unfortunately, Grace, feel it still is.
Yeah. I'm completely with you, and can I just say I love that point you made on voices together, because as you know I'm a bit of a policy wonk, and you know we get all these consultations coming through on you know various changes to international trade policy and what needs to be done going forward, and I do feel, and the feedback we've had is that a lot of women who are running businesses don't have time to feed into those processes because they're just trying to like manage the day, right? Or like someone who's working in customs alone in a bigger company, they're just keeping their company compliant. They don't have time to feed into some of these things, and that's where I think the power of a convening voice, being able to pull in those people who might be able to fill out a full consultation survey but can talk to us about their issues, and we can feed that back as that interlocutor, can be really powerful, because if we want women's policy to change, you know, positively for the future, women need to feed into that policy, right?
I think with UK, like you say, we're going to be launching for International Women's Day this online hub and our LinkedIn page. So we're going to really be having a presence, a virtual presence albeit. And I think there's three pillars or three areas I suppose that we're focusing on, which is our vision and our mission, which is the networking side, which is the signposting side, and the education side. I suppose my ask would be for people to get involved, to advocate, to support, not necessarily just for with, but the women who are representing with and who are within with. And having a regional reach will hopefully help people not feel so isolated. Because I mean, in terms of trade, you know, what come about was that you have got pockets of individuals trying to navigate trade, but feeling very isolated in different geographical locations around the UK. So I suppose it's firstly, you know, reach out and see what With's about. And I suppose we're testament to the fact of, you know, the people that are supporting us, they really are why we set up With. And they are our community, and With is driven by the community. It's not driven by us. It's driven by the community. It's driven by the different stakeholders within it. And it's how do we advocate with each other and for each other.
Love that. I think my plea to people as well would be, if you have ideas for events, please come to us. If you want to go into like your local educational facilities, whatever they might be, and talk about trade, you know, why not, you know, partner with us, maybe we'll do that together. If you have space that you can offer for networking events, or if you'd like to be a regional sort of mentor in your area, let us know, because we're trying to build out, aren't we, this kind of directory of women who are willing to be mentors to other women in trade, and to be able to link people up by area as well. So, you know, just reach out to us. We're open to all ideas at this point.
Agreed. And I think it's how can we come together, because we're stronger together than we are apart. And it's how do we start leveraging then and playing on everyone's strengths to push With forward.